Good morning, boys and girls. You have a math map test today, so it'll be pretty brief today, but I do want to go over the answers from the homework that you did yesterday, and then also give you a few just quick review questions so that you can be more prepared for the test tomorrow. So I'm going to present over to the Bright Thinker screen to go over the questions that you did yesterday, which is Tuesday when you're so Tuesday is assignment. Okay, so you should have these questions answered on notebook paper. I'd love for you to take it out now so that you can check over your answers and make sure it's correct. You can also fix them along with me if you do have any mistakes. So pause it if you need to go grab that. Okay, so the first section here is going to be identical on the test. It's just some vocabulary. Of these 5 terms, what would be the best fit? Temperature is measured in degrees. Fahrenheit would be the right answer. Good job. We also can measure in degrees Celsius, but we are talking about degrees Fahrenheit in this unit because that's what we use in the United States. Next, it says the amount of time that has passed between one time and another is called elapsed time is correct. That's how much time has passed by between 2 endpoints, basically. Elapsed. There are 24 blank in a day. That's right, hours. Number 4, a blink is used to find out how hot or cold a place is. What did you put? Thermometer is correct. Great job. By the way, you could have just the words themselves written with the number. You don't have to necessarily write down this whole thing. Number 5, finally, what did you put for this one? There are 45 blank between 7:30 p.m. and 8:15 p.m. Minutes. Very good. That's what we should write in the blank, minutes. That's the elapsed time. 45 minutes is the elapsed time between 7:30 and 8:15. Next question, 1 and 2. I know the numbering is kind of odd on this one, but we're going to have a jump to the next section. Now add or subtract depending on what's shown. 4 hours and 50 minutes plus 3 hours and 25 minutes. What did you put for your answer? We will need some regrouping here. The answer should be 8 hours and 15 minutes because the 50 minutes plus 25 minutes is going to be regrouped as 1 hour, and then you're still left with 15 minutes. All right, the next one is a subtraction question. And you'll need to regroup for this one because you can't subtract 55 minutes from 35 minutes. So we're going to basically regroup one of these hours over to the minute. Do you remember that? So the answer should be, let me do the calculation. So it would end up being 4 hours and 95 minutes here. And so your answer would be 1 hour and 40 minutes. Who got that? For number 2, 1 hour and 40 minutes is what you should have. Okay, next up. Tell the time. What time is 2 hours and 15 minutes after 7:15 p.m.? You said 9:30. That's correct. 9:30 p.m. specifically. Next question. What is 3 hours and 40 minutes after 10:05 a.m.? Need to make sure that we have the a.m. and p.m. correct on this. The correct answer is 1:45 p.m. As soon as you go from 11 to 12, it shifts from a.m. to p.m. or p.m. to a.m. So the answer is 1:45 p.m. for number 4. 1:45 p.m. All right, let's read this temperature on the thermometer. I'm going to zoom in. Looks to me like it is exactly 90 degrees Fahrenheit. Who got that? 90 degrees Fahrenheit. Very good. Now, the next ones are word problems, but you don't draw bar models for these. You're just going to draw a timeline to help you. And I do want you to draw timelines, even though for the test, you actually won't have to draw out a timeline for any of these. You can just write your answer. Okay, number 6 says, Robert jogs from 7:10 a.m. to 9 o'clock a.m. on Saturday mornings. How long does he jog? This is basically an elapsed time question. It tells you when the start time is and when the end time is. So how much time does he jog for? How long was the jog? If you said 1 hour and 50 minutes, that is correct. A timeline will help you for that, or you can think of it as really close to 7 o'clock. It's just 10 minutes past that. So that's 2 hours, and then take away 10 minutes. Or you could think 50 minutes on gets you to 8 o'clock, and then 1 hour gets you from 8 to 9. Final question. Peter studies for 2 hours, 10 minutes. Now, he started at 6:15 p.m. What time did he stop? This kind of question tells you the start time and the elapsed time, and you're trying to find what? The end time. That's right. So 2 hours and 10 minutes after 6:15 p.m. is going to get you that answer. What did you put? 8:25 is correct, 8:25 p.m. Okay, so that is all for your homework yesterday. I'll give you a few more problems just to continue reviewing these processes, but no more for class time today since you guys already did some hard work for the map. So it's just going to be a few last questions for practice, and then you will take your test tomorrow. I'll talk to you guys later. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye.